Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 4th of February. The euro continued its climb against the US dollar, failing, however, to push above 137. The relative economic calm in the single currency could again come under renewed stress as differing political interests within the Eurozone push for and against a bailout for the tiny island nation of Cyprus. At the same time, Portuguese Prime Minister Mariano Rajoy, which has enforced a fierce austerity programme to indebted Portugal, has come under calls to resign amid allegations of accepting illegal payments. Citing German Finance Minister Wolfgang Schäuble, the euro crisis is not over. The euro has gained considerably against the weaker Japanese yen, moving above 126.60. The move is supported as the European economy consolidates and at the same time, Japanese suggestions that a weaker yen is needed to boost exports. The US 500, which tracks the largest 500 American companies, has pushed above 1509 and is testing its support at around 1504. And crude oil, currently at 116.48, continues its higher high, moving steadily towards its previous resistance at 117.80. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 135.85 with a preference to enter into long positions at 135.85. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 92.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 92.30. The Aussie-dollar pivot point is at 103.90 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.90. The sterling-dollar pivot point is at 157.75 with a preference to enter in short positions at 156.70. And the dollar-CAD pivot point is at 100.05 with a preference to enter in short positions at 100.05. And looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 97.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 97.30. The gold pivot point is at 1660 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1660. The silver pivot point is at 32.15 with a preference to enter in short positions at 32.15. The US 500 is at 1490 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1490. And the UK 100 is at 6230 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6230. And of course, more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And watch out for these market movers. In the UK, we have the construction PMI expected at 49.7. In the US, we have the factory orders month-on-month forecast to rise by 2.3%. And in New Zealand, we have the labour cost index quarter-on-quarter forecast to rise by 0.5%. And our interesting pair of the day is the British pound US dollar. We saw the British pound slid to a low of 157.02 against the US dollar after failing to pass resistance at 158.74 on Friday. At the same time, the pound is moving away below its moving average, adding to the bearish sentiment. The next step for the sterling will be to test the support at 156.85. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Amandre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.